In the United States, immigrant workers make up 25% of the construction workforce. In New York, that statistic becomes 37%. In 2017, 1 in 5 worker fatalities in the private industry were in construction. And with 1 in 4 of the 45,000 active construction sites in New York City not in compliance with work safety standards, the statistic only increases. But things don't have to be this way. With the Make the Road Know Your Rights Guide for construction workers, we can make this change. Packed within one little blue book is everything a worker may need to know to protect themselves and their rights on the job. Written entirely in Spanish to ensure that immigrant workers are afforded the same education as domestic workers. It contains information on New York City wage laws, workplace rights, safety equipment and procedures, and more. All in one place.